Ever wondered when is the best time to plant your favorite flowers? Today we'll delve into the art of understanding the gardening calendar, because in gardening, timing is everything. Knowing what and when to plant can be the difference between a blooming garden and a barren one. As the days grow longer and the frost begins to recede, spring ushers in a new gardening season. It's a prime time for planting bulbs, perennials, and certain vegetables that thrive in this season's gentle warmth. Spring is the season of rebirth and the perfect time to start your gardening journey. As the temperatures climb and the days lengthen even more, summer offers a different set of opportunities for your garden. This is when heat-loving plants like tomatoes, peppers, and sun-worshipping flowers come into their own. Summer is the season for growth, making it an exciting time for both new and experienced gardeners. With cooler temperatures and shorter days, autumn is the time to prepare your garden for the coming winter. Now's the time to plant trees, shrubs, and some perennials that'll thrive in this season. Autumn is the season of preparation, ensuring your garden is ready for the cooler months ahead. While winter may seem like a quiet time in the garden, it's actually an important period for certain plants. Certain vegetables and flowers, like garlic and sweet peas, need a cold period to germinate. Winter is the season of dormancy, but with the right plants, your garden can still be full of life. So there you have it, a simple, easy-to-follow gardening calendar for beginners. From spring's fruitful planting to winter's vital preparation, remember that timing is crucial. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!